Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue, or why an apple turns brown when left out too long? Well, guess what? These everyday phenomena are all about chemistry. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of chemistry, where we'll explore atoms, elements, and the periodic table. First off, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter and the changes it undergoes. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. This includes everything around you, from the air you breathe to the chair you're sitting on. Now let's break down matter a little further. All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Picture atoms as the building blocks of matter. They're so tiny that millions of them could fit on the head of a pin. Atoms themselves are made up of even smaller particles. There's the nucleus in the center, which contains protons and neutrons. Surrounding the nucleus are electrons, which move around in what we call electron shells. Now, if you take a bunch of the same type of atom and put them together, you get an element. Elements are pure substances made up of only one type of atom. For instance, hydrogen is an element made up entirely of hydrogen atoms. But how do we keep track of all these elements? That's where the periodic table comes in. The periodic table is like a big chart of all the known elements, organized by their atomic number, which is the number of protons in an atom's nucleus. Each element on the periodic table has a symbol. For instance, the symbol for hydrogen is H, and for oxygen, it's O. So if you ever see a strange letter or two on a scientific diagram, chances are it's an element from the periodic table. And here's something extra fascinating. When different elements combine, they form compounds, creating a whole new substance with its own unique properties. For example, when hydrogen and oxygen atoms combine, they create water, a compound essential to all life on Earth. So to summarize, chemistry is the study of matter, and all matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms join together to form elements, and elements combine to create compounds. And all of this is organized nicely for us in the periodic table. That's quite a lot to take in, isn't it? But don't worry, the more you delve into chemistry, the more these concepts will become second nature. So next time you look at the blue sky or a browning apple, remember, it's all just chemistry at work.